Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to check for update iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and guys, when you update your iPhone in software update and facing this type of issue that unable to check for update, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, here you can see when I am going to update my iPhone, then guys you can see I'm facing the issue again and again. So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings and guys click on Wi-Fi. And guys, you need to connect Wi-Fi with your iPhone. And guys, if not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, after connecting strong internet connection with your iPhone, then guys you need to go back. And guys, secondly, you need to scroll it down. Here is the option of general. So guys, simply you need to click on this tab. And guys, after this you need to scroll it down. And guys, you can see here the option that is VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your device. So guys, if connected, then you need to disconnect it, and after doing this you need to go back. And guys, after doing this you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings from here. And guys, after doing this, here you need to put passcode, and after doing this your network settings will be reset. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, now I am going to update my iPhone and check that my problem is fixed or not. So guys, now you can see here, and guys, now you can see my problem has been solved easily. So guys, now you can see I have an update iOS 17.1 in my phone. So guys, by doing this method your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to click on date and time and make sure that your date and time is set automatically. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after doing this you need to open your here the option of screen time. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys you need to scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions and turn off this feature. And guys, after doing all the things your problem will be fixed and you will be able to update your iPhone easily. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.